Welcome, welcome, boys. Alright, in this video, we're going to be changing the rear brakes on this Mercedes-Benz C230 Kompressor. This is filmed the same day as the front brake, but it's its own video. A companion video, if you will. Because if you only have front brakes bad, you've already watched that video. If you only have rear brakes bad, you can watch this video. So you don't have to watch them both. Unless you have both. All four brakes going bad. Well, then watch them both. So apologize for the wind. It's a nice cold, wintry day. But we'll dive right in and do the rear brake. So on this side, we'll go ahead and do the head cam, film in first person view, and then we'll finish out the other side with the time-lapse version. Okay, boys, and with the wheel off, our 5 17mm, although for some reason she's missing a lug bolt on this car. Only had 4 17mm, so she needs to get that fixed. And this was a bit seized to the hub, so if when you pull these 5 lug bolts out and your wheel doesn't come off right away, just kind of kick one side and kick the other back and forth on your tire, and then it should pop off. And it looks like she may have a foreign object in this tire, so hopefully that doesn't. Normally I would pull those out, but I'm not sure how deep that goes, and I don't want to pull that out and then she has a massive air leak and then she can't drive the car. Okay, and so we have a thin little rotor here, which has definitely seen better days. And our pads are in here, and those are about roached. So it looks like, so far, the only pads that were in decent shape were her front driver's side, but these are bad. And it looks like we're going to have 2 little bolts. I'm not sure what size bolt that is. Let's try a 10. No, it might be 11. There's going to be one here, one here. Okay, if we take a peek-see in here, then we have 2 16s that are holding this caliper on. This one and this one kind of down yonder. That it's there. You'll see it. Just look straight down. So we'll see if I can bust these fuckers loose. Tell them how they've been on there. So 16 mil. Now we're going to be strong enough to bust it loose with my bare hands. So we'll try a pipe for leverage. Hopefully that works. If not, we're going to have to break out the hammer. Huh. Did that move? Yeah, it did. Okay, that broke loose a lot easier than I thought it would. Still gonna use that pipe though. Got it. All right. Well, that wasn't too bad. So we'll take these loose. They're not too long either. Bolts aren't. Weren't in there uber tight, so that was also kind of nice. Very good. All right. Okay. Huh. Weird design. Okay, I see. So these things are kind of like pinned in here, I guess. So squeezing the caliper out will be fun. Not. Because it's going to have to be one of those deals that go out, but I think I can still fit the C-clamp in there. So, you may have tried to fuck me, but you didn't, Mercedes. Alright, so I guess we just got to drive this pin out of here. I guess I'm going to bash it with a hammer maybe, and then it pops out through there, and then I can pull that out. At least that's what appears to be the deal here. So I'll investigate that further and let you know. I gotta find a place to rest this in the meantime. I gotta get my, I guess, a freaking punch pin set or something, or unless there's another way. But I'll let you know right quick. Okay, boys, and because I'm lazy, instead of getting a punch or a hammer, I'm going to use the end of this Craftsman, kind of bash this thing until that pins goes through a little bit, and then we'll get something small, like this 5/32 Allen key will work probably. Yeah, because that was a little closer to me than, you know, the actual tool that would probably work. I'm an opportunist, so if it takes less time to grab something closer that can kind of sort of work as the actual tool I need, I'll just do that. Actually, a 7/32 might be a wee bit smaller and work a wee bit better. So let's do that, shall we? There we go. I mean, obviously I could just go get a hammer, right? I could do that. There we go. Fuck you. No hammer needed. No hammer needed. Eat my ass, biatch. There we go. Fuck you. And the dead horse you rode in on. These are shot, my friends. Shot. Okay. Now we can squeeze the pistons back in. And the brake fluid's almost completely overflowing up front, so I'll have to kind of capture some of it. I guess I could suck some out. Actually, you know what? I think my brake bleeder's still upstairs. I didn't take it down last night. I used it yesterday on the Camaro. Okay, boys. Like I said, from putting new brakes on the both front side, that's going to overflow. But I still had this from yesterday when I did the coolant in that thing. So let's sucky some of this fluid out of here. And I guess it would help if I take this screen thingy out of there. I can get in a little deeper. Alright, we'll try that at first. See how well that works. So we'll just let this thing chill right over yonder for now. And since we're going to roll no screen, we'll just kind of make sure we don't get any contaminants in there. Put that right there. And while I was in there, went ahead and grabbed a hammer for the next side. Which I guess I can use on this side to bash it back through, huh? Alright, what was I looking for? C-clamp. Oh, I have one. There it is. Yeah, I don't think I need the pad. These pistons are so tiny. C-clamp itself can actually fit over them. So that's nice. Again, there's no resistance on this, so that's a good sign that the calipers are still good, although that brake fluid looks pretty freaking gross. It's pretty dark. Alright, now we'll do this side. Alright. Done. Alright, new ones, right? Here's one new one, here's another new one. And then our hardware. maybe get the pads on first. Then I'll try to slither that thing in there. Now, with that in place, now we'll try this, and that should work a little bit better for me. And it will. I almost need 2 people for this bitch. Damn you, stop slipping. Oh, almost need my second pry tool. Again, I'd have to go all the way inside for that. And do I really want to do that? Not really. Not really. Got it. Fuck off, car. You tried to fuck me, but the joke's on you now, bitch. So, go fuck yourself. Oh, I might have bumped you guys. Okay. So now that we got our pads back in, that stupid pin through the stupid spring thing, go ahead and reaffix our 2 bolts holding the caliper in. 16 mils. And tighten them back down. Done. Alright, we'll squish the brakes a few times. I think everything feels good. Popped out or fell out, that should stay in there till next time anyway. Alright, put this wheel back up and then I'll catch you boys on the other side for the time lapse. But I guess I should mention before that, since in case you didn't watch the front video, torque specs 92 foot-pounds on the lug bolts. So 92 foot-pounds, don't go any more than that, don't go freaking crazy. Don't go any less than that or your wheel's gonna fall off and you're gonna have a bad time. Alright, catch you boys on the other side. And that's it, boys. That's how we replace the rear brakes on our Mercedes-Benz C230 compressor. Thanks for watching. Peace.